What up lads, let's make homemade focaccia. So guys, we're gonna need plain flour, warm water, yeast, okay, olive oil, salt, and some extra flour to work the dough. So we're gonna start by mixing our yeast. I have here dry yeast into warm water. So when you know it's warm, it needs to be like body temperature. You don't want it to be higher than 40 degrees Celsius because you can kill the yeast. So it just needs to be warm, so it's a good temperature for them to start working. So first thing, we're going to dissolve the yeast into the warm water. Let's say we're now process that we call activating. We could even actually add a little bit of sugar in this process, which actually I'm gonna do it. It's actually just a tiny bit, like a teaspoon of sugar. Just to start feeding the yeast and for this to start activate. This is very well dissolved now, so I'm just gonna give them like 5 minutes, okay, just to the yeast for the yeast to wake up. So let's wait 5 minutes and then we come back here. Five minutes has passed, guys. You can see some bubbles, which means the yeast is already awakened. So now we're just gonna start all the process. What we're gonna do, have our flour here. I'm gonna add my water in here with the yeast. We're gonna add as well olive oil. And a pinch of salt. And now it's time to get our hands dirty, okay? I like always to start mixing the dough in a bowl, so I'll make less mess. And after we're jumping into the bench. Just go mixing, mixing. It's gonna get together, don't worry. Okay, whew. Now guys that we have a bowl, we can start kneading this baby. So now it's time to go into the bench. So how to prep the bench, you just need clean bench and then don't be afraid, just that's it. Flour it, baby. Let's start playing with this baby. See, our bowl almost clean. And let's start kneading this baby. Use both hands, okay? Here, what we're doing, we're developing the gluten. That's gonna hold all this dough together. All right, lads. After maybe 5 minutes here kneading, I can say it's good already. How do I know? It's looking more flaky and nice, see? And you see when I'm kneading here, I'm pushing the dough like that, and there's no more flour in here, and the dough, whew, I'm tired. It's not sticking too much, so it's just a little bit sticky, just enough to hold it, but it's good. Now what we do, we make a nice ball. How do we do this? So you're gonna put your hands like that, and you're gonna press it down and spin it. Press it down and spin it. So we want to have a really nice ball. I'm gonna lift here so you guys can have an idea how it looks on the bottom. Okay. Then I'm gonna spread some flour in here. Why? Because we're gonna leave this baby in here. We're gonna cover with a humid cloth. So I get a clean cloth here. I'm gonna put a little bit of water just to make it humid, because if you don't do this and you leave the dough alone like that, not covered, it's gonna get really dry on the outside, and we don't want that. We get a humid cloth and we cover the beauty like that. And we're gonna allow this to grow and develop. So let's say it's gonna almost double in size, so it's here and it's gonna be more or less here. Okay, so now we just need to wait. Alright guys, 15 minutes has passed as the reveal time. As you guys can see, it's much bigger than it was before. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna split this in 6, then make new balls and let it rest again. So let's split this. It looks nice, eh? 6 it is. Now got it one by one. It smells lovely already. And we're gonna make new balls. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little bit more flour on the bottom. Place them here. And we're gonna repeat the process. Humid cloth on the top. And we're gonna allow them to grow again. Alright, another 15 minutes has passed. Look at these beauties. Okay, let's put them aside. Now guys, we're gonna get a tray where we're gonna bake our focaccia. Gonna drizzle olive oil on the bottom. Don't be afraid of using the olive oil for focaccia because they need oil. Sides. I don't think it's gonna get that big, but never know. Then we're gonna get one of our balls. Come here, baby. Gonna soften. Gonna open a tiny bit. Place it in here, and we're gonna let this rest for 20 minutes. Okay, cover, and and let it grow a tiny bit. Our focaccia is there resting. Meanwhile, we're gonna turn on the oven, let it preheat, okay? So when we put the focaccia inside, the oven is already hot, piping hot. So we go here, salamander, take this dirt cloth from here, 250 maximum. And now we just wait. Alright guys, so it's been more or less half an hour. My oven is really hot. The focaccia has doubled in size already. It's not fulfilling the whole tray, but that's not a problem. If you want to have this when you're cooking, just make a bigger ball. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some extra olive oil. Like that. Then we're gonna spread the maximum that we can, like this. Leaving these holes. Then we're gonna sprinkle some salt. A little bit more of olive oil. Then we're gonna get thyme. Make sure you guys only picking the leaves, okay? Don't want to be biting this after. It's not nice. And I want to add as well some rosemary leaves. Beautiful. That's what I want. Now this baby is gonna go into the oven. Look at this beauty, huh? So yes, that's what we want, some like olive oil swimming pools. So this is gonna go into my piping hot oven. See you, baby. Let's check our focaccia. Ah, the smell of this. Take a look at this beauty. You guys want to know if this is crunchy or not? So pay attention, be quiet now. It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm proud of this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.